years ago, all the planets Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune were living happily revolving around the Sun. The happiest of all was Mother Earth. It was the only known planet where life was possible because it was neither too hot nor too cold like other planets. It has water for life to exist and it is protected by a blanket of atmosphere. Sometime later, as population of Earth increased, people started cutting trees to build houses. The air got polluted because of vehicles and factory smoke. People started wasting water. Use of plastic increased and living on Earth became miserable. Days went by. More and more trees were cut on Earth. One day, it gave birth to a demon. The demon was very powerful and deadly. It started troubling all living beings on Earth. People on Earth started suffering from diseases. The Mother Earth was in real danger. One day, all the people on Earth gathered and prayed to Mother Earth. "Help us, Mother," they all said. "Tell us some way to fight this deadly demon who's killing many people." After listening to the prayers of all those people, Mother Earth broke into tears and said, "When your own life is in danger, you realized my value and came to seek my help. This demon is very powerful and you have made it so by feeding him with all your greed. But I am your mother and I will tell you some solution for sure. Here are some ways to kill the demon. If you follow them regularly, you may win over," Mother said. And she continued, "Walk or ride your bicycle whenever possible for short trips, save fuel. Carpool to school or work. Choose organically grown fruits and vegetables. Grow your own fruits and vegetables, in fact. Turn off lights and electronics when you're not in the room. Reducing, reusing, and recycling. Remember the 3 R's. Use fewer and environmentally friendly chemicals. Don't use pesticides and herbicides. Don't flush medication. Dispose of toxic waste properly. Conserve water. Every drop counts. Always bring a cloth or a jute bag when you shop. Plant more and more trees. They clean air, provide oxygen, and beautify your surroundings. Avoid plastic and don't burn crackers." People were delighted to hear the solution. They all thanked Mother Earth and started following the instructions. They have planted trees, stopped wasting water, started reusing things, started pooling, and also keeping their homes and surroundings clean and green. They replaced plastic with jute bags. Kids also started educating others around them about how to make planet Earth happy again. With time, more and more people realized the fact and they also joined the Go Green and Clean revolution with the kids. The demon was getting weak day by day. The efforts made by people to keep the environment clean and pollution free has kicked the demon far away. Now, the people on Earth are more healthy and happy once again. They lived happily ever after. Yes, it is indeed relatable because we forgot how to live in tune with nature. Degradation we cause is bound to come back to haunt us and threaten our very existence in the way we ensure species extinction, ecosystems, and deforestation. This June 5th, we are celebrating World Environmental Day under a lockdown, but there is so much an individual can do for environment protection even during the pandemic. So let's all come together, join our hands. Let's all say no to plastic and yes to bicycles and plant a sapling.
Today is a World Environment Day.
It is mainly focused on a good relationship with nature.
Every year, World Environment Day is hosted by a different country, in which official celebrations take place.
This event will also mark the launch of UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration 2021-2030.
The campaign includes restoring mangroves and forests as well as planting trees in urban settings, including schools, colleges, public parks, and green belts.
Vision is a world where for health and well-being of all the life forms on Earth and that of future generation, the relation between humans and nature is restored. The area of healthy ecosystem is increasing and the ecosystem loss, fragmentation, degradation is not into practice. People's perspective and feelings towards ecosystem and biodiversity are taken into account.
Forest to peatlands to coasts. We all depend on healthy ecosystems for our survival. Ecosystems are defined as the interactions between organisms, plants, animals, people with the surroundings. This includes nature but also human-made systems such as cities or farms. Ecosystem restoration is a global undertaking at a massive scale. It means respiring billions of hectares of land, an area greater than China or the USA, so that people have access to food, clean water and jobs. It means bringing back plants and animals from the brink of extinction, from the peaks of mountains to the depths of sea. But it also includes the many small actions everyone can take every day. Growing trees, greening our cities, rewilding our gardens, or cleaning our trash along rivers and coasts. Thank you.
So let's promise to each other and to our Mother Earth that this World's Environment Day, we will not only work on protecting our ecosystem and biodiversity, but also we all unitedly create a world where the environment doesn't need any protection, because it's not yours, not mine, it's ours.